and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about apps, so let's get started. What is an app or program on your computer or your phone? A simple answer could be, one of the apps on my phone is called the weather widget. Or, a particular application I have on my smartphone is weather widget. How did you find the app or program? I came across this app last year when I was searching for weather updates. Or, I discovered this app a couple of years ago while browsing through the App Store on my phone. When do you use the app or program? I use this app to check the weather forecast before planning my outdoor activities. I utilize this app to learn and practice languages on a daily basis. It offers interactive lessons and exercises that help improve my language skills. What is your opinion about the app or program? I find it quite convenient and helpful for staying informed about the weather conditions. I hold this app in high regard due to its engaging and effective learning methods. It has enhanced my language proficiency and made language learning enjoyable. Okay, that's all the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me at home. The digital landscape, learning landscape. Traditional language learning often involves textbooks, classrooms, and note memorization. The rise of digital platforms has transformed this landscape. Online language learning applications and websites offer a diverse range of features, from interactive lessons to virtual tutors, to real-time language practice with native speakers across the globe. These platforms provide learners with the flexibility to tailor their learning experience to their individual needs and preferences. Digital language learning offers interactive experiences that cater to various learning styles. Interactive exercises, quizzes, and multimedia content engage learners and make the process more enjoyable. Gamification elements such as rewards and challenges motivate learners to stay consistent and committed to their long-term learning journey. Technology has bridged geographical barriers, allowing language learners to connect with speakers of the target language worldwide. Virtual communication tools enable learners to practice speaking, listening, and even writing with native speakers, offering authentic exposure to different accents, dialects, and cultural nuances. This interaction fosters cultural awareness and a deeper understanding of the language's content. This flexibility accommodates diverse schedules and lifestyles, making language learning more feasible for those with busy routines. The accessibility of language learning apps and programs is a key advantage. Learners can access lessons and resources anytime, anywhere, using smartphones, tablets, or computers. While technology has revolutionized language learning, it also poses challenges. The reliance on digital tools may diminish face-to-face communication skills, which are crucial for real-world interactions. Additionally, the abundance of options can be overwhelming, leading to a lack of consistency and a flat focus in learning. The integration of technology into language learning has reshaped the way individuals acquire new languages, from interactive lessons and cultural exposure to flexible and convenience. Digital platforms offer a holistic and dynamic learning experience. However, learners should strike a balance between digital resources and traditional communication methods to ensure well-rounded language proficiency. In a globalized world, technology provides invaluable tools to unlock the doors to language and culture. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Please incorporate some of these into your everyday language use. Advent, digital tools and applications. Revolutionized, integration, innovation and engaging ways. Interactive lessons. Note memorization, online language learning applications, virtual tutors, real-time language practice, interactive exercises, diverse range of features, cultural exposure, gamification elements, authentic exposure, convenience and flexibility, geographical barriers, fosters cultural awareness, feasibility, face-to-face, lack of consistency, diminish, Globalized world, invaluable tools along the doors, holistic and dynamic, the rise of technology. Okay, next up is our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go at putting some of these into your own words at home. You could say, instead of saying, do you use language learning apps on your smartphone? You could say, are you engaged with language learning applications on your mobile device? Instead of saying language learning apps have revolutionized how we acquire new languages, you could say, the advent of language learning applications has completely transformed the way we grasp new languages. And for a one-off, instead of saying language learning apps provide learners with holistic and dynamic learning experiences, language learning applications offers learners a comprehensive and ever-evolving approach to acquiring languages. Now, that's all we have for today. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.